quick. We got a missing bumper and a red flag. Red flag on the track, red flag. Compact drivers, we will be ready for you sooner than later. Compact drivers, you need to start getting suited up, please.
I really wanted to get this recorded. There's a car and people in the way. Want to go here? Go.
Everybody stop and ready to get that going in 3, 2, 1, and we're back to green.